Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use adjustment layer in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are. So to use adjustment layer is very simple. All you have to do is go into your project panel and click on the new item, right here, new item button. So if you can see the new item button, you simply need to expand your project panel right here and click on the new item, go for adjustment layer and hit OK. And after that, you want to place your adjustment layer on top of your clips just like that right here, and you want to set it to the duration that you want. In my case, I want it to be this long. And right here, and I want to make sure that my adjustment layer is at this size right here. It covers the whole screen, so I'm just going to adjust the scaling for this one right there, just like that. And you want to make sure that you have checked the dimensions of your adjustment layer so that it covers the whole screen. And after that, we can just add any effect that we want. So for example, we're adding lumetri color into our adjustment layer, and this would be applied to all clips right here that we have for this clip and for this clip right here. Let's just make this bigger right there. So we're just going to add an adjustment layer, and we have our lumetri color in our adjustment layer. So basically, we can add an effect right here. So for example, we want to tint it. We add tint right there, so it would be applied to every clip that we have under the adjustment layer. We can even add Gaussian blur. We can add some blur into it, just like that. This is just an example effect, just like that. As you can see, everything is blurred under the adjustment layer. Because without adjustment layer, we will be doing it manually like this. We'll be adding blur into the clip one by one, which is really work intensive, and it's really a hassle, and the transition would not be smooth because it is restarting every time it reaches another clip. So that is the use of adjustment layer. This can also be useful for transitions. So if you have transitions in your mind, then you can also apply it into the adjustment layer, and it would also work the same. So that is basically how you can use adjustment layer here in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.